Actually, we were discussing about Schmidt decomposition, and we were seeing what are Schmidt coefficients, how do we use Schmidt coefficient to find the entanglement of a quantum system, and also we looked at the thing that we cannot decompose a 3-qubit quantum system, okay, or a 3-partite quantum system as Schmidt decomposition. We cannot decompose that, and there is something that I addressed you as an exercise. Let's see the direct implication of Schmidt decomposition today, which is the purification of mixed state. See, we know that usually we want our quantum information to be processed by pure quantum states, but then because of noise, decoherence from the environment, our pure states get converted to mixed states. Now, suppose we have to perform the task of purifying a mixed state to a pure state, then one of the easiest tools to do that is by using the Schmidt decomposition things. Okay, let's see then how the task is done. This is something very important in quantum information theory. Suppose I have a mixed state. Okay, this is a mixed state, and this is the density operator of that mixed state given to me. And since this is a valid density matrix, I should be able to write it as a summation over some basis states, let's say, where let's say rho belongs to a system A, okay, and this AI forms the basis of the Hilbert space to which this particular quantum state belongs. Now my job is to purify this mixed state and get a pure state out of it. So the formalism is quite simple, and it is the following. We take a reference system R first, okay, and take that reference system R in such a way that our combined system, that is the rho, that is the system A with this reference system, has the following form. Where this Ri belongs to the Hilbert space of the reference system. Also, this Ri and this Ai both are in the same state space as that of the mixed state. What I am telling is, if you see this mixed state, this is diagonalized in this AI basis, right? The I is specifying the particular basis here. So I am taking a reference system and writing the combined state in such a form that they have also the same basis, okay, which is just similar to the diagonal basis of the mixed state. Now, what is the next step? Well, we can see from here we can directly get here. How? If I take the trace of this system, okay, so suppose I take the trace of this system over R. So this system is this density matrix, AR, right? So I take the trace of this thing, and this thing I write in the following fashion: sigma I Pi AI Ri, and then sigma j I use another index for writing, okay, the other part. Let me write it below here. So this is sigma j Pj and then the bra vector of it. So the bra vector I denote at Lej Rj. Alright. Now, if I trace out the R, trace out the R system, then I will end up getting this thing. Sigma ij, I am taking both the summation, both the indices to one summation, and then I have pi, pj. I keep the A system as it is and I am tracing out the R, so it's gonna be ai, aj, alright, and then the trace would be over the ri, rj. Alright, then we can see that this becomes an inner product. Which inner product? This becomes this inner product, rj, ri. And since ri represent orthonormal basis in the Hilbert space, they must have the chronicle delta for the inner product. So this thing, look now, this step looks like the following: pi, pj, ai, aj, and then this delta ij. Okay, and you can see because of this delta ij, what happens here? This delta ij demands all the j to be equals to I or all the I to be equals to j, right? So the delta ij basically demands these two indices to be same. So I finally get, let me write it here. I'm writing this step here. So this becomes summation I only, because the j becomes I here, and then pi, j becomes, pj becomes pi, and then ai, and then this is also ai, which is nothing but summed over I, pi, ai, ai, and this is indeed our rho A. So yeah, that's what about constructing the pure state. So all we are doing is we are taking the mixed state and trying to construct this particular pure state. Okay, why this pure? Because you can see this is nothing but a Schmidt decomposition, right? And Schmidt decomposition is done for physical pure state. So it's a pure state, and we can see that if we trace out one system, the reference system from that, then that is giving us our density matrix, which is a mixed state. So how do we purify it? We just purify it by taking a reference system and constructing a pure state and constructing a state in the same basis, in the same state space in which the mixed state is diagonal. Alright. Yeah, and that's how you construct a pure state out of a mixed state. Let's do a problem on it then, and then we'll get a feel for it. Okay.